Variation. Variation deals with the way two or more variables interact with each other. Types of variations: direct variation, indirect variation, inverse variation, joint variation, and combined variation. Direct variation is a linear equation that can be written y is equals to kx, where k is a non-zero constant. The number k, called the constants of proportionality or constant of variation. Formula: y is equals to kx. For example, if y varies directly with b and y is equals to 35 and b is equals to 7, find y when b is 8. So the value of x or b is 7, so k times 7 is equals to 35. Divide both sides by 7, k is equals to 5. Y is equals to kb, or kb is equals to y is equals to kb, and rk is 5 times 8, y is equals to 40. Inverse variation occurs whenever a situation produces pairs of numbers whose product is constant. Formula: y is equals to k over x. Example: if s varies inversely as r and s is equals to 9 when r is equals to 81, find r when s is equals to 3. We need to find k first, so s is equals to k over r, and rs is 9 is equals to k over 81, which is the value of r. So 729 is our k. S is equals to k over r. R is equals to k. R times 3 is equals to 729, which is our k. Divide both sides by 3. R is equals to 243. Joint variation may involve 3 or more variables simultaneously. Formula: y is equals to kx. Example: if a varies jointly as b and c, and a is equals to 48 when b is equals to 3, c is equals to 4. Find a when b is equals to 6 and c is equals to 7. So we need to find k first. A is equals to kbc, and our a is 48 is equals to k times 3, which is our b, and 4 rc. 48 is equals to k12. Divide both sides by 12. 48 divided by 12 is equals to 4, and rk is 4. A is equals to kbc, and rk is 4 times 6 times 7, rb and c. A is equals to 168. Combined variation: a physical relationship among variables that involves both the direct and inverse variations. Formula: y is equals to kx over 2. Example: if d varies directly as m and inversely as o, d is equals to 19 when m is equals to 5 and o is equals to 2. Find d when m is equals to 9 and o is equals to 12. So we need to find k. D is equals to km over o. Our d is 10 is equals to k times 5, which is our m. over 2. So 20 is equals to k times 5. Divide both sides by 5. K is equals to 4. So we need to find our D. D is equals to km over O. D is equals to 4 times 9 over 12. D is equals to 36 over 12. D is equals to 3.